makes it difficult when he's not around.
Being home for the holidays has a new meaning to Corporal John Thompson.
Couldn't believe how big he was. Wow, you're already this big already?
Thompson had been deployed to Iraq since August and wasn't set to return till next fall, but baby Daniel couldn't wait that long.
I called her on her cell phone. She was actually at the hospital. And she said, yeah, I'm here at the hospital. Her mom was with her at the time. She came up to be with her while I was away. And she said, oh, it already happened. I mean, it was over, like, already. So it was pretty quick.
Wife Keela gave birth to Daniel on September 9th, and after months of wondering what his child looked and felt like up close, Thompson was finally able to meet him.
I used to be able to hold him and feel him and how soft they were and his little bald head. It was just really great.
Now it is the couple's third child, but first one born without dad in the delivery room. That's something Mom says was tough to do.
I really missed having him. During the other two deliveries, he was kind of like the comic relief. I really missed that. And
It will be a very special Christmas this year for the Thompsons, as Daddy will be home again. He'll head back to his unit in Iraq in January. In Leavenworth, Alan Shope, Eyewitness News.
Good to handle everything.